the sky is filled with a ton of smoke. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. So this morning I'm gonna start my day off with going to the junkyard, and I don't know what it is with Row 52. It hasn't been updating me at all with like cars that's been coming in, but there's an Integra GSR that came in 2 days ago. Now I doubt anything is left of that car there, but there are a ton of 94 to 97, or actually 92 to 97 Integras that are OBD1 LS, and I'm hoping to score maybe an OEM distributor and you know, get the engine more completed today. Just kind of overlook it and see, you know, make sure I have everything, even though I've already done it. But you know, just kind of do an overlook of everything before you know, tearing that motor out of the car and then getting that installed next week. So I'm gonna grab my tools and I'm gonna head over there right now after feeding that guy. OBD2 gone. This is a new row with the orange mark on the floor. Holy jankness. Look at that. GSR transmission. Crap. OBD2 distributor. This is GSR. No badge. VIN tag. DC4s and LS, but has a DC2 GSR transmission. Damn it. This is why I don't like coming to the yard. At the same time I do because of that, but crap.
A few moments later. So
I've decided to just take the transmission. VIN tag DC2. It says S80 right down there. And I have all the tools. So this should be pretty easy. So I took all of the low control arm off, the fork, and then popped the axle, pulled the sucker out, and that allowed me to free up the transmission. So I gotta find myself a dolly so I can finish walking the yard. Hell yeah. Man, when you come here for a distributor and you score a tranny instead, join the winning team. Interesting. Integra. So on the picture in the Row 52 website, had side markers, had some goodies on it, shaved doors. Synergy Auto Works, that's my boy's shop. Still on that hunt for that Dizzy. There's one side. OBD2. Now I can use OBD2, but my plug is OBD1 on the harness, and I don't want to run any jumper harness. So, oh, look at this bumblebee looking thing. Eleganzo, that was definitely a OBD1 because it's got the plugs. Aftermarket. If you guys ever wondered what shifter I have in my cars, not that y'all probably care, I have the Integra 94 Plus because it's a dual bend and it works perfectly if you modify it a tad bit to fit the EF shift linkage. That is a great alternative for a dual bend shifter. But this car also has a distributor as well, but it is aftermarket. You can tell by the clean silver body and the rich colors in these wires. And like I said, if I can't find an OEM one, got a couple more rows to go, I'm probably gonna have to opt for these aftermarket distributors. And there's 2 of them, so they're newer. Good Lord. Oh, if it ain't a Type O, then it ain't a tight call. I haven't seen the GSR Integra yet. Oh, this one ain't got no damn motor. Acura Integra. Okay, like we don't already know that. Sit. Automatic. Oh, shit. Speed Factory, sponsor me a new shirt, please. Fuck. Look, diamonds. Anybody looking for some diamond stillies? Oh, E dizzy. Oh, E dizzy. Oh, E. Oh, shit. Aftermarket. Damn it, boy. This is a new row. Uncut SI harness. Now I know this is worth some money, but I'm not gonna pull it out. Well, the distributor's right there, but it's also aftermarket. No. Wait, has an OEM coil. OEM igniter. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. Huh. You guys wouldn't believe me if I told you. 94 Integra. Black. DB8. That's a GSR. This is the GSR. It has a B20Z long block and a Y80 transmission. This might be the original tranny to this car, which makes that a GSR tranny. I'm torn. I don't know if I want to pull this transmission out and score another GSR tranny. And it has the OBD1 distributor that I need. Fuck, what time is it? I got enough time to pull this out. Do I want to pull this out? Fuck. I started at a 311 and it's 354. Now I'm debating if I want to open up the transmission just to ensure that it's a GSR, because this one doesn't have a VIN tag. It just has a little sticker that says Y80. I got like an hour before they close, so I'm gonna think real quick. But check this out. I don't know what suspension that is, but it's fully adjustable. All 4 is there. I'm back home, and I must tell you, it's probably one of the best junkyard runs I have ever done in all of my junkyard hunting years. 2, I am almost certain GSR transmission. Now, my whole intention to go into the junkyard today was, I went to row 52 this morning. There were several Integras, like 9-10 of them, and I was looking for an OBD1 distributor. Now, granted, I did not find an OEM one, but you know, this would do just fine, because I'm not gonna be making a ton of power to really, you know, break anything inside of it. But then again, it did happen in Carrie's car. Needless to say, we have an OBD1 distributor. Prior to finding that dizzy, I found a GSR transmission. The VIN tag is original, right? Original rivets, OEM rivets, and it says DC2 on it. I don't know if you can see it. DC2 is a GSR. DC4 and DB7 is LS, and DB8 is GSR. Now the S80 code is really hard to differ between the LS and the GSR, but the VIN tag verified it for me, and I pulled this one out first. I couldn't find a wheelbarrow, so I hauled this sucker with one hand, tool bag in the other, paid for it, dropped it off, and then I came back into the yard to find a distributor. Found an OBD1 distributor right here, and you know, when I was walking around just kind of picking and choosing a few different distributors from different Integras, I noticed the blue Integra way in the back, which was the original reason why I kind of got up as well, because on row 52 said it was a GSR in the yard. And when I got there, it was a B20 motor, and I was like, ah, crap, you know, whatever. And then I noticed the Y80 sticker that's on here. Now it looks all original as well, and the Y80 all USDM GSR comes with a Y80 stamp, so I'm almost certain that this is the original tranny to that car, even though it was swapped out for a B20Z. I'm gonna open both of these trannies up, and I'm gonna count all the teeth, clean it up, reseal it, and you know, if it's an LS, sell it back for what I got it for. If it's a GSR, profit. I'm super exhausted. Spent all day in the junkyard, and we're losing daylight already. I didn't get to do what I wanted to do as far as more preparation to the engine and just gathering all my swap stuff for next week, but I am going to end the video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's junkyard adventure. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.